Tucked along the sun-soaked cliffs of the Algarve coast in southern Portugal, Club Med Da Balaia has built a reputation as one of those all-inclusive escapes that working families dream about during the dreary months of the year. Sitting on Rua de Praia Maria Luisa in Albufeira, this resort has been pulling in holidaymakers from across Europe for decades, and with more than 7,800 reviews logged on TripAdvisor alone, it is clearly not flying under anyone's radar. The setting alone does a lot of the heavy lifting, with red cliffs, pine trees, and that famously blue Atlantic water just steps from the property. But a beautiful location is only the beginning of the story, and this review takes a closer look at what guests can actually expect once they drop their bags at reception. From the rooms to the restaurants, the pools to the activities, here is a thorough walkthrough of what makes this resort tick. The rooms at Club Med Da Balaia are designed with the all-inclusive holidaymaker in mind, which means comfort and practicality tend to take priority over high-end luxury frills. Guests can typically choose between standard rooms suitable for couples or solo travelers, larger family rooms that comfortably fit parents with kids, and upgraded categories that offer a bit more space and better views. Many rooms come with private balconies or terraces, which is exactly what you want when the weather is this kind for most of the year. Views vary depending on which part of the resort you land in, with some rooms looking out over the gardens, others toward the pool area, and the most sought-after ones offering glimpses of the Atlantic in the distance. Inside, the rooms lean toward a clean, modern, slightly Mediterranean feel, with light tones, simple furnishings, and the kind of layout that makes unpacking feel effortless. Standard features generally include air conditioning, a flat-screen television, a private bathroom with shower, a safe for valuables, and the usual coffee and tea setup. Families traveling with younger children will appreciate the family-friendly configurations, and the resort is known for being accommodating with cots, extra beds, and child-friendly amenities. The Wi-Fi reaches the rooms, although speeds can vary depending on where you are on the property, which is fairly normal for a resort of this size. It is not a place that tries to wow you with gadget-heavy smart tech, but rather one that focuses on giving you a comfortable base to return to after a day of sun and activity. When it comes to food and drink, Club Med Da Balaia operates on the all-inclusive model that has made the brand famous, meaning that meals and most drinks are baked into the price of the stay. The main restaurant runs on fairly fixed schedules, with breakfast served from 7:30 to 10 in the morning, lunch from noon to 2:15 in the afternoon, and dinner from 7:30 to 9:30 in the evening. Some guests have pointed out that these times feel a touch rigid, especially if you are the sort of traveler who likes to wander in for a late breakfast after a lazy morning, but once you adjust to the rhythm, it works well enough. The buffet style allows for plenty of variety across the week, with a rotation of international dishes, Portuguese specialities, fresh salads, grilled meats and fish, and a respectable showing on the dessert front. Beyond the main dining room, resorts of this type often feature a more relaxed poolside or beachside option for lighter lunches and snacks, perfect for those days when you cannot be bothered to peel yourself away from the sun lounger. The bars at the property are stocked throughout the day and into the evening, serving up everything from morning coffees to afternoon cocktails and after-dinner drinks. Wine, beer, and a wide range of mixed drinks are typically included, which removes that nagging worry about a building tab at the end of the holiday. Evening entertainment often spills out around the bar areas, making them as much a social hub as a place to grab a refreshment. For working-class travelers who are used to budgeting carefully on holiday, that all-inclusive drinks setup is one of the real reliefs of staying here. The pool and beach setup is one of the genuine highlights of Club Med Da Balaia, and it is easy to see why so many guests rate this aspect of the stay so highly. The resort has its own pool area, which becomes the social heartbeat of the property during daylight hours, surrounded by loungers, parasols, and plenty of space to stake your claim for the day. The water is regularly maintained and clean, the surrounding deck is well kept, and there is usually a separate shallower area suitable for younger swimmers and families. Towels are provided, which is one of those small touches that makes the difference between a relaxed holiday and a stressful one. Music drifting from the nearby bar adds to the easygoing atmosphere without ever turning into a nightclub vibe. The bigger draw, of course, is the beach access, with Praia Maria Luisa just a short walk down from the resort itself. This stretch of coast is the kind of postcard scene that the Algarve is famous for, with golden sand, dramatic ochre cliffs, and clear blue water that practically begs to be photographed. The walk down involves some steps, which is worth noting for guests with limited mobility, but for most visitors the descent is part of the charm. Once on the sand, there is plenty of room to spread out, swim, paddle, or simply lie back and listen to the waves. Water-based activities such as kayaking, paddleboarding, and swimming come into their own here, and the calm Mediterranean-style conditions in the warmer months make this a particularly good spot for those still finding their sea legs. Activities are where Club Med as a brand tends to genuinely shine, and the Da Balaia Resort lives up to that reputation with a packed offering across the day. Tennis is a long-time staple of the Club Med formula, and the resort has courts available alongside group lessons and friendly matches for guests of varying skill levels. Fitness fans will find a gym for the usual cardio and weights routines, along with group classes that often include things like aerobics, stretching, dance-based workouts, and core training. There are typically organized sports tournaments and games throughout the week that give guests a chance to meet others, which is part of what gives Club Med its distinctive social feel. For those who prefer their activity at a slower pace, gentler options like archery or beach walks are often part of the daily lineup. Cultural and educational options tend to appear around the resort in smaller doses, with local Portuguese touches in the food, the design, and occasional themed evenings that hint at the wider Algarve region. Excursions can usually be arranged through the resort for guests who want to head out and explore further, from coastal boat trips to visits to nearby towns and historic sites. The activities program is one of those rare things in a holiday that genuinely earns its keep, particularly for families and couples who want to feel like they have actually done something during their week away rather than just lying flat for 7 days. The staff running the activity sessions tend to be young, energetic, and good at coaxing even the most reluctant guests into giving things a try. It all combines to give the resort a real sense of momentum that keeps the days feeling full. On the wellness side, Club Med Da Balaia offers massage services as part of its facilities, and these are often the centerpiece of guests' relaxation routines during the stay. After a morning of tennis, an afternoon of swimming, and an evening of dancing, a proper massage can feel like a genuine reset for both body and mind. Treatments tend to include a mix of classic massage styles, with the kind of menu you would expect at a resort spa rather than at a destination wellness retreat. Booking ahead is usually wise since peak weeks can see the slots fill up quickly, and the experienced therapists tend to develop a loyal following among repeat guests. The atmosphere of the treatment area is calm and quiet, offering a clean break from the more lively pool and bar scenes elsewhere on the property. Beyond the hands-on treatments, the resort tends to fold lighter wellness into the everyday program, with options like yoga and stretching classes on offer for those who want to start the day with something gentle. The natural setting itself does a lot of the work, with sea air, sunshine, and the rhythm of cliffside walks providing a kind of slow-burn detox that no formal program can really beat. Guests looking for serious medical-grade wellness or deep multi-day detox plans might want to set realistic expectations, since this is first and foremost a sun and sea family resort. But for the average holidaymaker who just wants to switch off, breathe deeply, and feel a bit lighter by the time the flight home rolls around, the offering is more than enough. It complements the rest of the resort experience without trying to take it over. Families traveling with children will be pleased to know that the Kids Club is one of the key facilities on the property, and Club Med has a long-standing reputation for taking the children's program seriously. The clubs typically split kids by age group, so younger toddlers, school-age children, and teenagers each get activities and supervision suited to their stage. Activities can range from arts and crafts to sports, swimming, games, and themed events that give children something to look forward to each day. For parents, this often translates into a much-needed window of genuine relaxation, knowing that their kids are not just being parked somewhere but are actually having a great time of their own. Many families return year after year specifically because the children grow up loving the place. Teenagers are sometimes the trickiest group to please on a family holiday, but a resort like this usually handles them with a mix of sports, social spaces, and evening entertainment that keeps the eye-rolling to a minimum. Babysitting services or evening clubs for younger ages may be available, allowing parents the chance to enjoy a dinner or a drink in peace. The shared mealtimes and group activities tend to create natural friendships between visiting families, which often results in kids running around in packs by day 3. It is the sort of social, busy, slightly chaotic family experience that is hard to recreate at a more boutique-style hotel. For working parents who only get a couple of proper holidays a year, this kind of all-in package is hard to beat. Looking beyond the resort gates, the surrounding area gives guests plenty to explore when they fancy a change of scene. Praia Maria Luisa, the beach right on the doorstep, is the obvious first stop and the kind of spot people remember long after the holiday ends. Albufeira itself, one of the most popular towns on the Algarve coast, is within easy reach and offers a mix of historic old town streets, lively bars, restaurants, and shopping options. The marina area is great for a stroll, a coffee, or a boat trip out along the cliffs to see the famous sea caves of the region. For families, there are water parks and themed attractions in the wider area that can fill an entire day out. Slightly further afield, the Algarve region has plenty more to offer for those willing to hire a car or join an excursion. Pretty fishing villages, golf courses, vineyards, and historic towns like Silves and Lagos are all within range of a day trip. The shuttle bus service mentioned among the resort's facilities makes life easier for guests who prefer not to drive on holiday. With parking available on the premises, those who do choose to rent a car have a stress-free base to come back to. The location really does strike a nice balance between feeling tucked away and being close to plenty of action. Taking it all together, Club Med Da Balaia is a strong choice for families, couples, and solo travelers who want a busy, sociable, all-inclusive holiday in one of Europe's most reliable sun and sea destinations. The strengths are clear, namely the stunning location, the wide range of included food and drink, the lively activity program, the kids' clubs, and the easy beach access. The all-inclusive pricing model gives working families the peace of mind of knowing the bulk of the holiday cost is locked in before they even arrive. Service tends to be friendly and helpful, and the social atmosphere makes it especially easy for first-time visitors to settle in. For anyone who values activity and energy on holiday, it ticks a lot of boxes. There are a few softer points worth flagging too in the spirit of a fair review. The fixed dining times are not everyone's cup of tea, especially for guests who prefer a more flexible schedule, and busier weeks can mean queues at the buffet during peak meal slots. The walk down to the beach is lovely but does involve steps which may not suit guests with mobility issues. Like any large resort, the experience can vary depending on how full it is and which staff are on rotation. None of these are deal breakers, but they are worth knowing before booking. Overall, the resort delivers exactly what it promises and continues to earn its place as a regional favorite. What really sets Club Med Da Balaia apart is the combination of a genuinely beautiful Algarve location with the brand's tried-and-tested all-inclusive formula. Few resorts manage to balance family friendliness with grown-up appeal as smoothly as this one, and even fewer can offer a beach as photogenic as Praia Maria Luisa just down the cliff. The breadth of activities, the structured kids' clubs, the included drinks, and the social atmosphere come together into a package that is genuinely hard to find elsewhere at the same price point. It is a resort that rewards guests who want to throw themselves into the experience rather than hide away in their rooms. That blend of comfort, energy, and value is its real signature. The resort is also well placed for small-scale events, group bookings, and the kind of organized getaways that companies or clubs sometimes arrange. With its variety of meeting-friendly spaces, dining options, and built-in entertainment, it can comfortably host group celebrations such as milestone birthdays, family reunions, or informal corporate retreats. Working professionals looking for somewhere to combine a touch of business with a proper break would find the location more than suitable. Many guest experiences at Club Med Da Balaia come down to the same memorable moments repeated in different forms. The first evening drink on a terrace as the sun dips toward the Atlantic. The unexpected friendship struck up over a tennis match or a buffet table. The kids running back to the room buzzing about what they did at the club that day. The slow walk back up from the beach with sandy feet and salty hair. It is in these small, simple highlights that the resort quietly earns its loyal following year after year. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.